another Epic Flows production.
Space your drinks. Let me tell you. Jamaican National Crew in the house, you know what I'm saying? Let's do this. Hey.
Color Festival this year I got shot. That matter.
I think I got slapped with.
If you got to hear it for Color Festival, if you bought some new pants for Color Festival, anybody got school tomorrow? School tomorrow, stay home and sleep now. Let's get smart out Color Festival. Up with the volume, let's go. Right up, right up, right up. One side up the sky. Rise up, 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 rise up. If you got that boom pow, shake that booty right now. If you got that boom pow,
girl, shake your booty
right now.
You gotta pump it in dance, ladies. You know dancer. Let me see what's going. All the girls in the shades, I see ya. Never saw this one coming, did you? But let's go.
One to the one to the one to the ground. One to the one to the one to the ground. One to the one to the one to the ground. One to the one to the ground. Yeah, you. Making your everything boss. She said no, I'm sweet. Go to drum. Make your say your best.
It's too much.
Your body good, your body right. So could you please just be the night?
I got them diamonds on my neck, got the Patron up.
Hands up, hands up, hands up, so if you didn't buy a ticket long time, hands up, see me, I'm saying. If I from someone, say hands up, I'm saying. Yeah, somebody I'm saying.
Yeah, right, picture that with a Kodak. Or better yet, go to Times Square, take a picture of me with a Kodak. And tonight, let's enjoy.
You got sing it out, man, sing it out.
Neo, just
And guess what? Give me. And guess what? You sound so good. I see some burgers in the house, a birthday crew in the house. I see some y'all. I want the line looking good. It's sexy, turn up.
I can make you my queen and make love to you endless. It's insane.
We're gonna go to the back of the venue, you know what I'm saying?
Every day I'm shuffling.
Try to pull a fast one from the youths. You got to give him the number. Gretchen, go. Oh my God. 3 minutes time. I see those rush to get the powder. I see some folks run to get some powder. Run and get your powder quickly. Quickly. They're gonna open the buckets of powder, massive. I want you to open the powder about now. The powder's open. Are you ready? We're gonna count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.